Hi everyone, if you have mail functionality into your application and you want to send mail and you need the mail configuration, like if you are using a Laravel application, then you can send the mail from the Laravel application. If you are using a different application, still this video is for you. So these are the mail configuration, like mailer name, then mailer host address, then mailer port and username and so on things. So how you can configure them? So you have two options. The first one is purchase any of the third party like Twilio and then configure your mail account there and then use it into your application. Or if you have a hosting plan which contain a mail account functionality, emails functionality, so still you can use this. And I'm going to tell you in this video how you can create your own account in this hosting to send the mail. So let's get started. Okay, so after logged in after logged in into the hostinger, I'm shooting this for the hostinger. So just click open your dashboard and then you will see on the left side there is a email option. So click on this email accounts. Okay, so here I'm seeing that there are multiple there are multiple mail service. So I'm going to now configure this on the CDL cell. I don't want to use this because these are not completed. So just go there, and then these three are completed, right? So I can use these one. So if I want to use this one, so I need to click on this manage, and then this will open the existing one, and there is option to create the new email account. Okay, so just click on this email account. All right, email account, and then here I'm using these three email accounts, right? So here I'm going to create a new account and show you that how you can set up this. So click on this create new account, and here I'm going to test at cdlcell.com because I don't want to use this for the professional purposes. So that's why I'm making this test to remember me for myself, because I will delete this later out. Test at cdlcell.com, then the password is required, and copy any of the password which accept this requirement, and also you can add the recovery email if something went wrong, like you forgot the password, so you can recover this from this mail. But I'm shooting this for the educational purposes, so I'm going to skip this step. Click on this continue, and yes, it's created, and here you can click on this and show your password, right? And now if you want to access this mail box, so click on this access webmail. So this will open the mail here. So just paste your password, click on this login, think account this, yeah, it's okay. It's asking the recovery. I don't need the recovery, and yes, our mailbox is now ready. We don't have any mail, and I'm going to now here I'm going to use this mail. So basically, what's the mail name? This one. So let's now come to your application. If you are using the different one, I'm using Laravel, so you can configure it in your own way. If you are using Laravel, so the process is identical. Mail from name, so this one is set to app name. So what is app name? So this one is the app name. So this will send this mail is received from this Laravel interviews. Okay, what's next is then which address you want to send. So in this case our address is this test at cdlcell.com, and then username is same, right? You can also add this into the codes, but it's optional. Okay, and then encryption would be SSL, and then password, what would be the password? So just copy this password and paste it here. Oops, copy this password and paste it here, and then the port is fine. This should be the port is I think 465, which is the standard mail port. Okay, and then this mail host name, right? So you can run this host, which would be the smtp dot titan dot mail. So this one is a Titan host name, right? If you are using the different shared hosting like GoDaddy, so try to explore this host name. So in your case it would be different, but if you are using the Hostinger, this one is the same for all of you. Okay, and then this would be correct. We are using the SMT mailer, smt.titan, this is the host mail, and these things are correct, right? Now just go here, open the route. I have configured the mail functionality. I'm using the send mail route here, where I'm sending those information into this email, right? So basically my email accept those information, so that's why I'm passing those dummy information here, and I'm sending this mail on this my dummy account, right? I have opened this out here. I'm not using this out, so don't try to send emails on my this email, because I haven't treated this, because you can see this here. Okay, now open this URL here. Let's go back interviews and then type this /email, send this email. Says connection couldn't be established to PHP network address, so name or service host not known. It means that our this smt.titan.mail isn't correct, right? So we need to find that what's the correct name of this host. Maybe I'm forgetting this. smtp.titan. Maybe it would be the email, something like this, but I'm not sure. I'm just guessing this. Oh, it's sent. I guessed it correctly. That's awesome. And yes, I got this. So mail at 11:44 and 11:44 and now 45, right? Time is identical. Hi Daya, thank you for applying, and this one is my email, this one is password, and so on things. So my email is working. I'm going to delete this out and I'm going to reshoot this mail again. Okay, sent. Wait for a minute, and yes, I got this another application, right? So in this way you can create your mail account and then send the mail from your hosting. You don't need to purchase any of the third-party API. So if you like the video, if it's added some value into your life, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. So in this way you can support me, my mission to shoot the premium courses free of cost. Thank you.